Jumbo prawns with garlic, lemon, chilies and butter. What more do you need in life? Well, you definitely need Président butter to make this beautiful recipe. Now, this recipe is truly inspired by my travels into Europe and Italy, especially Spain, where they have these lovely big prawns which are really cooked with garlic, butter, a little bit of chili, lemon, and that's all you need. Now, when I buy these particular prawns, okay, these are almost like 250 grams each, which means that in a kilo, you get about 4 of them, okay? Sometimes you might even get 5. Now, when I buy prawns like this, what do I really like to do? I like to cook them slowly with butter, garlic, and all my other aromats like paprika, smoked paprika, sweet paprika. As I told you, bilkul Spain ki yaad hai. Now, slowly these are really pan roasted and cooked in this butter and served just the way they are. The whole beauty about this is that when you sit at the table, literally you're sitting with the family or friends, you're actually putting these prawns on the table and literally it is actually peel and eat your own shrimps. Let's start cooking. So we have a beautiful pan which is on here, into which I'm going to be adding about 100 grams of Président unsalted butter to begin my process, okay? So nicely cutting these into little pieces. So we've got some butter here. I also like to add just a dash of olive oil in here, not too much, just a little bit, okay? Now we're going to be melting this butter. While this butter is melting, I'm going to be adding my sliced garlic here. So I've got about 2 cloves or literally like almost 2 tablespoons of sliced garlic in here, okay? Now I'm going to be starting this off on a very slow simmer. As you can see, I want the butter to melt nicely. I want the garlic to slowly start dancing inside, and that's how is making of a real legendary sauce. To this, we're going to be adding some fresh chilies. You can also use chili flakes, but I'm just adding 1 fresh chili and I'm adding a few chili flakes as well. Now, to this, we have a little bit of smoked paprika and a bit of sweet paprika as well, okay? Now sometimes what happens, अगर आपको ये नहीं मिलते, आपको समझो paprika को जमा नहीं आपको, you can also use a really nice combination of red chili powder as well as the Degi Mirch powder. So you have a bit of both, okay? So you have the heat and you have the color as well. So as you can see, we are beautifully, slowly cooking these away. Now while this is cooking, now the butter is getting into this beautiful aromatic color. I'm using unsalted butter, so yes, we will be adding a little bit of seasoning in here. I'm going to put this on the side here and get this part also ready. Now as this is cooking, what I'm going to do is slowly turn it up a little bit and then drop in my prawns in this, just like how they do it in Spain. Beautiful. Perfect. So yes, we have some salt. Beautiful. Perfecto. To this we have some lovely lemon juice going in here. Wow, look at that. Nice. So juice of half a nice big lemon in here. The rest we're going to be serving it on the side. And then we're going to be adding the rest of the butter. Beautiful. So we're going to just turn this up. Look how beautifully these are cooked. Now remember, when you're cooking prawns, you have to be a little careful because the more you cook prawns, they tend to get a bit too rubbery and almost like chewing gum, okay? So you can see we've got these lovely, beautiful prawns happening here. They're changing color. The sauce inside is going to be incredible. It is a mixture of lemon juice, Président butter, smoked paprika, sweet paprika, and then we also have the lovely fresh chilies which here, and then I'm going to be adding a little bit of, or not a little bit, I would say like beautiful, almost like a tablespoon and a half, okay, of lovely fresh flat leaf parsley in here. And look, beautiful. And our prawns with garlic butter is ready, all fit for the President. So here we're going to be basting our lovely President garlic and lemon butter with a hint of chilies and paprika. And literally this is like bringing the flavors of the world right in your homes wherever you are. It's time to plate it up, and definitely some serious tasting is going to go on here. Delicious. Now look at that. So we've got these beautiful President garlic and lemon butter with chilies going on with these fabulous jumbo prawns. So we have this lovely, beautiful butter happening here. We're going to pour most of it here, right all over. Wow. Amazing. We're going to be serving a nice caramelized lemon wedge here. Perfecto. So we have a lovely caramelized lemon serving with our lovely jumbo prawns with President garlic and lemon butter with a hint of chilies. Bon appetito. Do enjoy. Keep watching. Definitely run into that store and get that beautiful butter, and let's start cooking like me. Enjoy.